The present simple. The present simple is used to make simple statements of fact, to talk about things that happen repeatedly, and to describe things that are always true. To make the present simple of most verbs, use the base form, the infinitive without to.
I eat lunch at noon every day.
The base form of the verb to eat. Adverbs of frequency are often used with the present simple.
She eats lunch at 2 p.m. every day.
With he, she, and it, add s to the base form. Further examples.
We drink coffee every morning. She drinks coffee every morning. We start work at 9 p.m. He starts work at 11 p.m. That leave work at 5 p.m. Rob leaves work at 7 p.m.
How to form.
I, you, we, they eat lunch at 2 p.m. every day.
The base form of the verb.
He, she, it eats lunch at 2 p.m. every day.
With he, she, and it, s is added. S and es endings. With some verbs, es is added for he, she, and it. These include verbs ending with sh, ch, o, ss, x, and z.
I go to bed. He goes to bed.
Es is added to verbs ending with o.
I finish work. He finishes work.
Es is added to verbs ending with sh.
I watch TV. She watches TV.
Es is added to verbs ending with ch.
I cross the road. She crosses the road.
Es is added to verbs ending with ss.
I fix cars. She fixes cars.
Es is added to verbs ending with x.
Their phones buzz all day. His phone buzzes all day.
Es is added to verbs ending with z. Further examples.
Tom does the dishes every day. He washes the windows on Fridays. She teaches English to 6 students. He blushes when he's embarrassed.
Common mistakes forming the present simple. When the present simple is used with he, she, it, or one person's name, it always ends in s or es.
He starts work at 11 a.m.
An s is added to the base form start.
He start work at 11 a.m.
Start without an s is only used for you, we, and they. There is no need to add the auxiliary verb do when forming the present simple. It is only used to form questions and negatives.
I eat lunch at noon every day. I do eat lunch at noon every day.
Do is only used as an auxiliary verb when forming negatives or questions. Be in the present simple. Be is an important verb with an irregular present simple form.
I am 25 years old. You are a chef.
Are also follows we and they.
He is happy.
Is also follows she and it. How to form.
I am happy. You are happy. He, she, it, is happy. We, they, are happy.
Further examples.
I am a doctor. We're late for work.
Contractions can also be used.
They are students. He's American. My grandma is 92 years old. Ruby's 7 years old.
Have in the present simple. Have is an irregular verb. The third person singular form is has, not haves.
I have a garage. She has a yard.
Has is used for the third person singular, he, she, and it. How to form.
I, you, we, they, have a garage. He, she, it, has a garage.
Further examples.
I have a car. The cat has a new collar. You have a sister. He has a cold. I have a painful back. Thomas has a driving lesson today. They have the same dress. Jack has a bad headache. They have a new baby. Sarah has coffee with Tom every Tuesday.